Today I'm going to try to install these post rack systems I bought. You can see in this picture, it's a pre-made bracket that's meant to go on these poles. I think they're adjustable from 4 to 6 inch beams. It's designed specifically for buildings like this. Like you can see in the picture, it's got, you know, same kind of structures here. I'm a little unclear as to how you put the shelf system together, but it doesn't seem like it's rocket science. There's a video online, maybe we'll check that out. And I'm hoping to use a lot of the leftover wood I've got over there. Let me show you what I'm thinking about. So I've got 6 of these guys. It looks like you need a minimum of 2 to make something happen. And then they're kind of like double-sided, so you can you know, put stuff on either side, so it can be an end piece or a middle piece. And I'm thinking I got 3 beams right here, and I want to do like one right above 1, 2, 3, and then maybe another level above that. So let's start with one level, and we'll see how that goes. Now it's got some instructions here on how to build and cut the lumber, and there's some gluing and clamping, and I'm not much of a carpenter, so let's see how this goes. All right, just been studying these instructions for a second. I think I get it now. So it looks like the first thing you do is put these brackets up. I'm gonna use that 2x4 right there as my line. I'll just bring up a speed square to make a line. So let's get those up first, and then we'll move on to the wood part. Pre-drill through screw holes on side. Secure right side first. Fasten side with screws through pre-drill holes. Alright, it says pre-drill holes first. I'm just going to make a mark on this so that they're all the same, so I know where to line up somewhere. I'm going to drill these left ones and then just put one lag screw in, kind of hang it like a hanger. I'm going to start this other one. Okay, I see why they want you to do the right side first, because the thing has to you know, expand and contract to the size of your beam, and I can already see that it's not level now. Oh yeah. Okay, we already got a problem. I think I broke that bolt. Either my impact is too strong or these are some shitty hardware. I'm gonna go with shitty hardware because this is a really crappy drill. We'll take it easy on this side. I'm not drilling that out. No problem. There's no way I'm drilling that out. All right, well, there's 2 more on the front, and then, I guess, right side first, finger tighten clamp bolts, then secure with screws. a joke. Oh, you. Okay, second broken bolt. This is not a very powerful drill.
Yeah, take everything
It's
off.
the second one. This other one broke too. Come on, really? All right, well that's unfortunate. Another bolt broke. This one right here. I'm just gonna go ahead and keep 5 on there because the other option would be to drill through the metal and then put another bolt in. Put another lag screw in, but you know, I don't plan on putting a ton of weight up here, so you can always revisit this down the road again. All right, we got all 3 of those guys up there. Those look fairly even. We got 2 missing bolts, but oh well. There's one, and that one's missing a bolt. So let's see. Now it calls for each 2 posts. You will need 2 cut to size 2x12s and 4 2x4s. All right, let's see what we got. Down 94 amp. All right, I think we have to go buy some wood. All right, we got the wood that we need to build the shelves. So let's get started unloading this stuff and yeah, let's finish them up. Measure length needed for shelving. Measure to inside bracket. All right. Cut 2 2x4s and 1 2x12 to measured length. Place support 2x4s atop 2x12 upside down. Measure 2 1/4 inches from each side with a 3 3/4 inch spacer block in between. So I guess I gotta make a spacer block. I need 2 of these. Measure 2 1/4 inches from each side. It's been a while since I used this. All right, instructions are a little unclear. Basically, I got to turn this thing upside down, and this thing needs to be sitting on the sawhorses, and then I got to put this on top of it. So it just a little unclear, just a little weird in the instructions. I get it now, but we'll figure it out. All right. Also, now looking at it, I realize my clamps need to be on the bottom. Set into bracket. Oh, this ought to be interesting by myself. Doesn't seem like it's going anywhere. Enough meat sitting on there, I guess. It's not enough to draw a bolt in there. Same thing with this one here. I suppose my other option would be to unbolt that side and then slide it over a little bit, but then I'm gonna have the same problem over there. The other peculiar thing is how did I get my measurements so bad? I guess this is why I'm not a carpenter. All right, well, here's what the top looks like. That's pretty good, I guess, right? I'm practically doing a pull-up on it, so, you know, I guess we'll just have to take it easy over time, putting stuff up here. But the idea here would be to have another one right there, and then if this works out well, I might do another level up there. Well, let's see if we can put some stuff up here. These lights are incredible. This is what I've got in the barn here now. I bought 6 of these and I only put up 3, and I mean that's all I really need. They are so bright. All right, so fast forward a little bit here. I got 2 of them put up and I've been using them for a couple months now and they're pretty good. I still got a lot of room up there, and you know, in this barn it's a process of you know, getting things and figure out where they go, and I've put some stuff up there and I've taken it down, and what I want to do is put some lights under here, like a strip light. I've also got this guy. I don't know, I might hang from there, I'm not sure, so I'm still working on it. I've got 3 more brackets. Now that I've been playing with it, I don't think I'm going to do a second row up there because, as you can see, I can just stack things up really high, and if I had a second level, that would kind of defeat that purpose. So I think I'll do another one here eventually. So I'll have 3 going across, and then that leaves me with 2 more. You know, maybe at some point I'll move this thing out of the way and just go all the way to the wall. I'm not sure. Or, you know, maybe I could do 2 between there. That could be kind of cool. For a pre-made bracket, I'm pretty happy with the way it turned out. You know, could have I gotten the metal and cut it and made this bracket and painted it myself? Probably. I don't remember the exact cost. I'll put the link in the description and you can see what the costs are on it. I just don't remember off the top of my head. But, you know, really my only complaint is that I wish that the hardware was just a little bit better quality. The fact that my clapped out DeWalt Impact with like half a battery was able to snap that bolt off is pretty sad. So, you know, I think maybe throwing some better hardware in there would have solved that problem. Or, I mean, you could just use your own hardware. You don't have to necessarily use what they send you, but, you know, you just grab it and going. So, well, I hope that helps out some of you guys who have a pole barn and were interested in something like this. I searched high and low for some kind of a shelving option that was clean and I could get up off the ground. What I was trying to avoid was building like a loft area. I've seen a lot of folks do that, and I kind of wanted to just have something that was supported by the posts and not ground supported. All right, on to the next project.